Hey everyone, welcome to another awesome video. Today I will show you the way that you can get access of GLM 5.2 DeepSeek V4 Flash, Step 3.7 and some other model inside your Visual Studio Code without any API and subscription, totally for free, which is provided by Cline. I have found this way and I feel this is the best way which provide decent amount of token where I want to share this method with you. That's why I will make this video, and in this video I will show you the way that you can use, and I will build some project using this platform. First, you need to create your account in Cline. You can use any authentication method to create your account. I'm going to use this account, and this is the home screen. Didn't worry, this is not a user's credit. If this is 0, then it didn't work. If you use it, then this is not reduced as well. I will show you at the end of this video. This remains same. After that, you need to add this Cline extension inside your Visual Studio Code or anti-gravity, which platform that you have added, and Cline.board is the official provider. Install this official extension. After installing, it will be reflected in the left bar here. Click it, open it here, go to this profile section. It will ask for the sign up with Cline. It will give you the external website link. It will open in your browser, and it will ask you to authorize. After you have authorized it, and it will ask you to open Visual Studio Code, then it will again ask allow Cline extension to open this URL. Open, then you are ready to use. Same balance will be reflected here. This is not a credit. If this is 0.0, then it didn't work. If you use it, then it is remain same. Without using it, I have never shared any platform with you. You can see my history. I am actively using it and my credit is 0 and my payment history is 0. After that, down it from here, you can find plan and act mode. If you set it at plan, before building any project app, it will plan it and give you the outline. If you directly act, then it will directly start to build. This is the section. You can set it according to your preferences. If you give them to access all of this, then it will automatically edit your file. Okay, after that, here you can see the list of model available for free, and this is the recommended model where newly available here. This is for limited time, and I have said reasoning effort will be high. Here you can find the GLM 5.2 best open weight model. Okay, and same model that you have find in the free section as well, where DeepSeek V4 Flash, fast and efficient with 1 million context window, ZAI Frontier Open Weight Model, GLM 5.2, Laguna S2.1 free, Step 3.7. This 4 model is currently available for free. If you want to test, you can easily use it. Not for your testing, it will provide decent amount of limit for day. It will not exactly mention how much limit and token it will provided, but when I have used it, it will work perfectly for the long time. Here I will give them one task. Okay, where I'll give them the prompt. It will ask me open in any specific directory, but it will start to work. Best part is it is not only free, it will work perfectly and it is too much fast as well. When I will ask, this will show this error about access permission. It will suggest me to open in any specific directory, but at the same time it will start to work, where within less than 1 minute it will return nearly 700 line of code. This is the best part about it is, if you can find intelligence model which is fast and free as well, what you need. I'm going to closing this warning here. Before it start to work, first it will create a to-do list. You can see this is the to-do list it will create. Everything will be completed here and it will automatically run the app that you have already seen it. Within a single line of prompt, you can see it will create one fully image to PDF generator, where you can set the size of page, orientation, image fit, margin, image quality, and you can set your output file name as well. Without selecting any image, convert button will be disabled. After you have added image, then this button is enabled. I'm going to open 3 different images with different size. Added 3 image. You can remove this image as well. You can adjust its index as well. Now I'm going to convert this to the PDF, converted, it will show automatical download link, download. If you can open, it will convert one fully functional PDF from one single image. You can set this all the feature according to your preferences or requirement. This is the power of this free model. Every time I'll share one awesome and working model. This is the power of GLM 5.2. And recently DeepSeek V4 Flash launched with the new context which claim that we are competing with Cloud Opus. Let's see how much awesome is it. I'm going to open it inside my any folder. Okay, I have selected my test folder and this is the output that I have generated. I have give one simple one line prompt which is create a one SaaS landing page. Before making video, every time I'll test does this model working perfectly. I'll show you. View all. This is the recent history. I'm going to my profile section. This is my history where it will only show the time. I think it will didn't open all the history. Mistakenly I have deleted my previous history, but I'm going to show you here. This is the output. By using DeepSeek V4 Flash, I have generated this SaaS landing page from single line of prompt. If you provide one detailed prompt with each and every feature containing, then do you think how much awesome website it will generate? This is the power of DeepSeek V4 Flash. I will show you by building another project as well. I'm going to remove this code. After that, I will show you by building one basket catch game. Here again I have give them a one single line command which is create a one basket catch game, and it is already start to work. Have you imagined how much fast it is? It will didn't even takes 2-3 minutes to think. It will completed each and everything within a 10 to 15 seconds and it will start to write the code. If you think it will only start to write code fast, but do you think within 1 minute it will complete nearly 600 line of code? It wants how much within a second, how much code it will return. It will completed it within a 1.5 minute. Okay, this is the game, this is the basket, this is the bomb. If you collect this bomb, then your game is over. Okay, everything is perfect. I will show you by collecting bomb. Your one life is gone. The level is automatically increased if you collect multiple ball in your basket. You can see we are moving on the third level. It look like real. I'm going to over this game. This is the output of today's video and this is the power of DeepSeek V4 Flash and GLM 5.2. It is fast, it is free, it will provide you a decent amount of token and you can use it inside Visual Studio Code. Then what you need? Everything in one place. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. If you need any other type of content, comment down below. I will consider making this type of content. Bye bye, happy coding.